Previously on Highland Rednecks.
We're going to be doing several mods here on Ethan's car. The first one being the interior lights, upgrading the interior lights. What do you think, Ethan?
They look dope.
We're going to install his new headlight housing, and on top of that, we're also going to put in new LED headlights.
Right?
Crowning moment.
This is the crowning moment. The antenna. So, you gotta be real careful here.
Through test, we need to see if this new terminal works. Sweet! It looks like I have a good amount of brake material. The rotors look pretty good too. So it's getting even worse. That my valve cover gasket is going out. Now this could have been causing the problem on my road trip to South Dakota. Engine light keeps flashing on and off while we're on the highway as we're coming into Green River, Utah, and it turns out that this was loose. I don't know why. This is quite obvious that it's leaking. I think the gasket's going out. This car has 500 miles left before it needs its next oil change. I'm going to go and get the parts today.
So what are we doing today?
We're gonna get a part, and we're also getting a Black Friday deal.
I was going to buy this, but my mom changed her mind, so.
Well, I need to get for myself, because in my opinion, you need at least 3 guns. You need a handgun, pistol. I got the 9mm a few weeks ago. You need a shotgun. I bought that when I was 20 before season 2 even started. And I can't look at that deal. You can't beat that deal.
It's $100 for a 22 long rifle, and Savage is a good name brand.
Yeah, very good name brand.
All right, guys, me and Christian are here just looking at knives and stuff because this is our thing. Here's the throwing knives right there. Just one. Yeah.
Well, they're sold out. But on the bright side, I already my goal was to get the 9mm this year, so maybe I'll just get the 22 next year. That's $100 that could go somewhere else. Here, fine. Come on, Paul, let's go. Come here. You want it? Come on.
Hey, don't fight. Go get it, Paul.
Go get it. Go get it.
Go get it, Paul!
Let's go get it!
Go get it!
Well, little status update. We got ourselves some Mountain Dew. Just
One of those Pepsi draft drinks.
Nitro Pepsi.
Smooth, creamy Nitro Pepsi. Had these before at work. I'm trying out this regular one.
You gotta make sure I got that immune support.
Oh.
Mental boost, apparently.
Oh yeah.
Well, that stuff is thick.
Bottoms up. That's how you're supposed to pour it.
Look how thick that soda is.
It's like coffee.
Is this cup leaking?
There he is, chugging his drink because the cup fell in it.
Ow. What we're gonna do is pull these ignition cords, ignition wires. And
Was it?
Let's kind of slide this out of the way if we can. Or not. Okay, we'll have to just deal with it. All right, you're seeing the internals of the engine, boys. So you know what this is? This is the camshaft. These are camshafts. This is the timing belt, which actually, that's in pretty decent condition.
Pretty decent. That's
Look at that.
Condition. Look at that.
But I will replace it at 100,000 miles. You see these lobes? They go down and they push down on the injectors. Well, yes, the injectors, the intake valves, and the exhaust valves. See, they push down. It's all timed by this, and this is spun by the crankshaft. However, there is a little bit of cracking on this. Well, it's peeling. Still, it's not the worst. So I guess maybe next I need to clean this up a bit, or it'll destroy it. So this right here, oh, that's hot. As you can see, that was a piece of the gasket. Yeah, that gasket was done. Yeah, and it leaked over here. It's all over the place. There's gunk, everything. Yeah, that's done. So here's a clean tip. You may notice this is an old sock with a hole in it. Of course, we wash them before, and usually when I sort my laundry, I'll look for socks that have holes in them, but I don't throw them away. I just throw them in the garage and they become shop rags. So a very good money saver. It's all cracked and everything.
Is that what you need to replace?
Yeah, this is it right here.
All right, let's get to it.
All right, as you can see, the block is all cleaned up. It's prepped and ready to put the new one on.
Still hot.
Yeah, it's hotter than Hades. And this is ready to come off.
Without burning too, his hand off.
It's like falling apart as you pull it off.
Yeah, look, there's a piece of it that's missing.
That's not good. There you go.
We got the new one. There's the old one, and probably in 3 different pieces.
I think that goes over there. Goes, look, tiny washer.
Yep, that's it. That's how it goes. See?
Oh, I'm smart. I think.
Beautiful. And the intake will go on easier than the valve cover one will go on easier than the.
It's just like trying to figure out seat belts. There's seatbelt twists.
This goes here.
Pop these little things on. Is that where you insert the oil?
Oh, come on. Quit getting in the way, you stupid dipstick. When you're putting on a head, you're really supposed to go clockwise, so that's what I'm going to do. I don't know if that's what needs to be done on this, but I'm going to go clockwise out.
Well, it would be nice if you got a magnet GoPro attachment.
Yeah. At least we're doing it during the day instead of pitch black night.
Yeah. Flashback.
Yeah. Won't even need a flashback. It's in the same episode.
Alright, we'll cut that out then.
Anything supposed to go here?
No.
Because it looks very clean. Alright. Fatality. 2 fatalities. So I was tightening down, probably too much torque, and they snapped. So, yeah. They're 30 years old too.
Minor setback.
Huh?
Minor setback.
Yeah, minor setback. We got them out, thank goodness. They came right out. But we're going to have to go and see if we can get some new ones. So, yeah, this is staying here.
Let's go break the news.
Looked at AutoZone, they don't have the parts I need, so O'Reilly's of course won't. So I called Mazda. They do not have anything in the States, but they do sell these bolts for $249 a piece. I just decided to order all 9 of them, so I guess I'll do a little research about how much torque to put on them. But here's the thing. The weird thing is that they still kept going, and there was still some play in them when they snapped. I was being careful, but I don't know, maybe it's just the bolt's time. Because, like, if you look, they snapped right on the threads, and they snapped pretty cleanly, so who knows. Maybe they were just warped from time. So, at this point, there's nothing we can do. I've disconnected the negative battery terminal. We're closing on the hood on this project until Tuesday. That's fine. Got my jacket on, got ready to come out. Mom's like, "Grandma, for the offer, don't you want the offer?" That's heavy. Alrighty, got the thing put back together. Ryder's dipstick. Ryder's dipstick is kind of broken, so he gave me a scare because it's not giving me an accurate reading. But from what I can see, no leaks, so what we're going to do is take it for a test drive.
In other words, we're getting Mountain Dew. Alrighty, so we're gonna pull over at this roundabout, the spot. This thing will focus a little better. We're gonna check the oil levels and stuff. Look at that pretty car.
We haven't light either.
I got my phone.
Pretty happy with that.
Probably leave.
So you have a clutch popping in. Okay, so
oh, it's cold. I'm wearing a short sleeve shirt.
why would you do that?
Because I thought we were going to get right to do's.
You have to do the do before you do the do. Come on. Kind of low. Check it one more time.
Third time's the charm.
Okay.
Much gooder.
Alright, next checkpoint is Copperton. Let's go. Alright, we're en route to Copperton right now. So far so good. No oil light or anything. Operating temperature's good. And of course we get stopped by this stupid light. At least this one's actually programmed, not timed, so that's good. We'll park it up.
I guess that's true. Yeah. Oh, ah. Ow. Oh. Ah. Ow. Oh, ah, crap. Oh.
Oh,
Yeah.
did you break the camera?
No, it's fine.
You hurt?
No, the camera's fine.
You like my priorities? You fell? Break the camera? You okay? Good.
Ooh, I'm gonna have to look at that footage. Ah, there's no one here.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, it looks like we're doing pretty good on oil. Engine sounds healthy. So I guess, get out your flashlight. We'll check the thing.
I stepped on that patch of ice right here.
What are you wearing? Boots?
Yeah.
You're wearing the same as me.
Yeah. Plus, it doesn't help when you step on
Maybe you're
ice.
just not bred for this weather.
Me? No, I am. It's just I'm not bred for this
You're the most
time.
accident prone. You're like the one who gets coldest. You're not even prepared.
I'm fine right now, and I'm wearing, let's see, a short sleeve fitness shirt.
Well, hopefully that's residual, but yeah.
Oh, yo, that's actually really cool. Look, if you're recording down like this.
Nice. Here. But yeah, I think we're good.
Ooh, shiny. Next stop, the Dew store. Good idea.
Okay, one last test.
And it's very blue.
oil.
Here we go.
So, car's running smoothly. I just had it up to 150 kilometers an hour. So I'm saying that so you guys have to do the math. And another thing is they'll have to say where.
Exactly. All right, well, we got our dues. Oh wait, hold on. I got 3 Mountain Dew Kickstarts, and Taylor got a Mountain Dew Energy Cherry Lime and a Mountain Dew Energy, I think, Strawberry Watermelon. And then he got chocolate donut and then pink sprinkly donut.
It's ridiculous. A trip to the gas station when I was a teenager, even back in season 1, or even back when I was like 13 years old. Trip to the gas station used to be like $3 tops, 89-cent donuts. Drinks for like $1 something, $1.50 maybe.
Now
everything's like, holy crud. $7.86 to get out of the gas station on average.
Yeah. So doing is now pumping up my tires with air, and my front was like, I think it was like 15 psi, which that's pretty a little lower than what my car takes. But now the back one, yeah, it was 1 psi and it's required 32, so it's like 31 psi I'm adding to my tires. All right, good morning guys. Well, you know, this is the last part of my video, and as you see, windows right here, I'm gonna get them tinted. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. So before I go get this thing tinted, I'll just get the before shots, and then once I get my windows tinted, I'll show you the after shots. Yeah, there we go. That's the before difference. And right now I'm gonna go to the Tint Action of Utah, which is the tint place where I'm gonna get my windows tinted. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, this is gonna be a lot of fun. Says it should take me 4 hours, but if it's less than that, I'll let you guys know. And I just can't wait to see the difference when this car is done with mods. And once I'm done with these mods, I'll show that to Taylor and see what he thinks.
Alright guys, so we're here at Tint Action Utah, and he's getting his car tinted. And I just showed up because I had some business next door. I had to get my car emissions tested. It's that time of year again, and I've now owned my car for about 2 years. But yeah, good fun stuff. Car is taking shape, it's looking good. Oh, you can't really camouflage this because there's a screen on the front. But yeah, it's cool. Alrighty guys, and that completes the modding and the complete facelift for Ethan's 2007 Ford Focus, otherwise known as the Red Baron. I got LaRue in here with me. She likes to help edit and watch movies. She's the biggest fan of my channel, greatest supporter. As far as the oil pan gasket goes in my car, I won't be changing that because the weather has taken a drastic change. The weather's very bad today, and it's been snowing all day. So whenever the weather gets a little better, I'm just going to change the oil and then just not change the oil pan gasket until we get warmer weather. But it's probably important that I do that before summer comes, because summer is our big road tripping season, and we film several episodes out on the road. Here's Beast playing Rocket League. Go figure. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please like and subscribe. Take care and have a nice day.